Have you ever tried to make money online? Have you tried a method but failed to make your first dollar? These are some of the questions I've always tried to answer on this channel, and that's the reason why I started the Miss Finance YouTube channel. I like to help people like you who are new to this space to make extra money online. And in today's video, I have a super simple and easy way for you to use, even as a beginner. But even if you're already making money online, you can use this as an additional method to increase your profits. As usual, I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can make a lot of money using this new platform, which can be a fantastic source of passive income. This strategy is perfect for beginners, as they don't need any investment, and it's very simple and straightforward. You can simply set your account, do some drag and drop, and you're all set. You don't have to purchase or deposit any money, and the best part about it is that it works globally. So you don't have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN or an extension, because this strategy will work regardless of where you are. All you need to do is watch this video until the end, as I'm going to reveal some hidden and exclusive tips and tricks that you can leverage to double up your earnings and make the most out of this passive way of making money online. But before we begin, welcome back to the Miss Finance YouTube channel, the place where we teach you how to make money online. We test many strategies every day and share with you the proven strategies that you can apply to start making revenue from the internet. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. And you can start making things happen. Let's go back to the video. Well, honestly, I enjoy learning new things, especially when it's about a new skill or ability that could make my life or one of my loved ones easier and enjoyable. Cooking and making videos are just a few of the new skills that I have picked up this year. Let me know in the comment section what skills you guys would like to master this year. I am extremely curious to know, and you might find someone down in the comment section who wants to learn the same things as you. This is a small world. So, why am I suddenly talking about skills and talents? Well, simply because the website we'll be using today is called creativelive.com. And it's the right place to master your craft, your talent, or something new with the help of creative classes taught by the world's best. It is basically a free online workshop where you can learn to master any skill you might think of, or just learn something new with lessons taught by outstanding coaches. It's a place where people get the chance to share their passion and skills. Hold on, am I supposed to make a video teaching a skill to people? Well, I am not a camera-friendly person, plus video editing is not my strongest point. Well, what if I told you that you don't need to record yourself teaching something, and you don't even need to make a video or a presentation? This is a completely free strategy that you can apply to collect passive income from the website. Let me explain. First, let's go to the home page, then scroll all the way down and hit on Become an Affiliate. This is the program I am talking about. Well, nothing complicated. You will be able to make money by connecting your audience to great content. As an affiliate marketer, you can make up to a 30% commission fee whenever someone uses your link to sign up for a class. I will show you later on one of the easiest and exclusive ways to find people who are interested in buying a course. 30% commission is one of the highest rates in the market. Most platforms pay 2 to 3% commission whenever you bring a new member, but this one is almost 15 times the market rate. If someone purchases a course worth $100, You simply leave with 30% commission, and you can do this over and over again. If your customer doesn't buy it but decides to return to the website and purchases something else within 1 month, you're still gonna get a commission. You can find all the details about the program on this page. So just refer people who are interested in any skill this platform is teaching and start making money. Don't worry, I will teach you a solid and free way to find people who are interested in learning new skills. But before you start making money online, you must first register your free account on creativelive.com. To sign up, register an account. You just need to click on Sign Up. You can find more details about this affiliate program on the page, so make sure to read them carefully. Then scroll a bit down and start filling up this sign-up form. Choose a username that you can remember and select your country from this drop-down menu. You can notice that all countries are available, so no matter where you come from, you can start making money online using this strategy from today on. And I am here to teach you how to do that step by step, so keep watching. Now let me show you how big is the opportunity you have on this website. When you go to the classes list on the top left corner, you'll see that the platform has a total of more than 15,000 classes that you can promote. You can click on all classes to be taken to the course library. On the left side of the page, there is a complete list of the main courses that you can promote and make a commission whenever a sale is made. For example, there are channels on art, video, music, money and lifestyle, and so on. I advise you to choose a space that you're interested in. Click on one of these courses to be able to see the program of the class, which will help you determine whether or not to promote it. If you decide to do that, you can use some elements from this page as marketing proof, such as the price, the number of students who bought this course so far, and the satisfaction rate. For example, let's promote this portrait photography course. It's something I'm quite familiar with. Well, how to promote these lessons? The best way, in my opinion, is looking for people who need this course. The website that I recommend to you is Quora.com. People are asking thousands of questions on this platform every day. And they are looking for an answer, and here comes our job. We need to go to Quora and answer 5 to 10 questions every day and suggest the course we are promoting for more information. People on Quora have a challenge, and we're here to offer a solution. How simple is that? Let's search some questions about portrait photography and answer them. Just enter the keyword in the search box and select questions from the left side. Try to answer some of these questions and recommend this course for more details. If you answer 10 questions per day, you will have 300 answers on Quora at the end of the month. These answers will always be there, and people will continue visiting your affiliate link, and that's why it's one of the best passive ways of making money online. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, as usual, and leave a comment down below. See you tomorrow.